Hey guys, Chester, and we're gonna do the burping challenge part 2. It's kind of deep, but anyway, I am sponsored by my old video that was like so old. The last time I did a burping challenge was 4 months ago, so I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna try to beat Lewis's record. I mean, mixed man.
Do it.
Oh God, I think I beat my oh my God, I beat my other one. Let me see if I can do let's see if I can do a louder one. That wasn't loud. Oh God. Oh, it's empty the water. God. Ever like 5 times. Guys, stop intruding my video. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the burping challenge part 2 and bye. Bye.